What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Bartender Hideout. Today we are here to get started with another recipe that you can easily make at home. This one maybe has one ingredient that is not as common in most cocktail bars or in most home bars, but definitely worth it to give it a go. I'll come to that in a little bit. As I said, we're going to be getting on with the recipe, and today that is going to be the Martinez. So I'm just going to be showing you how to make this recipe nice and easy, so you can give it a go. Let's get started with this drink. At first, obviously, we have to cool down the glass, so we'll put some ice into our glass so we get a nice and cool glass once our cocktail is finished. And then again, only 4 ingredients, so it is quite easy. We do have a maraschino luxardo liqueur, which is basically like a cherry liqueur. This might be one of those products that not everyone has at home, but as I said, it's definitely worth getting this one because it does come in like a couple of nice cocktails there. Then you might end up using quite a bit of it once you get through with that one. Okay. So Martinez is a gin-based cocktail, so we'll be using a Tanqueray, in this case Tanqueray number 10, and we'll be using 2 ounces of that. So there we go. Boom. Or 60 milliliters for all the Europeans that are watching here. Then I have sweet vermouth, which is our Antica formula, which is always a classic and a go-to. Quality wise, probably right up there with all the good sweet vermouths. So we'll be using 1 ounce of our sweet vermouth. There we go. I mean, this one is a little bit booze forward, as so often with these stirred cocktails. But that's why we're going to be stirring it, just to make sure that we don't actually drug ourselves too much with this alcohol. Then with the maraschino liqueur, this one is actually almost empty, so my point goes to show that you will end up using this, even if it's not for videos, because I don't think I've been using this for that at all. And with this one, we're going to be using 1/4 ounce or 10 milliliters, a bar spoon, whatever. There is some recipes that ask for bar spoons as well, but for this one I'm going to be using just 1/4 ounce. Should be more than enough. And then finally I'll have my trusty Angostura, and we'll be adding 2 dashes of that. Again, there's some different recipes for this one. There's also some recipes that ask for orange bitters. Definitely something you could give a try as well. But yeah, if you want to get the full experience, definitely try out this recipe first and then start experimenting with it. So let's add ice to our mixing glass, and then we just need to do one more thing, but you guys already know this. We're going to be stirring our cocktail, mainly since we want to dilute the drink and we don't want to have all those super sharp flavors from all the booze that's in there, since basically it's all alcohol. Like, there's alcohol in every single bit of it. I think the Angostura has 47% alcohol as well. Obviously you won't be using that much of it, but yeah. So that's why we don't want to look like the alcoholics that we are. So we try to stir it a little bit, add some water to it. So as I said, we take off a little bit of that edge as well. There we go. Make sure we give it a try in the meantime. And we just need a little bit longer. Obviously with this this homebrew ice from like the home machines, it tends to like dilute a little bit faster than when you have like professional ice, so definitely keep that in mind. Then our glass is nice and cool, so the only thing we have to do is pour this in there, and there we go. Look at that, that's beautiful. Hold that ice. There we go. And then as a finishing touch, we're going to be adding lemon zest. I already did that for you guys, just so I don't waste too much of your precious time. And we'll add that to our drink just to give it that extra little bit of flavor as well. And yeah, there we go, guys. That's our Martinez. I definitely implore you to try this one at home, and definitely give this one a taste and add it to your recipe books, because it's one that people will definitely like. Yeah, as you guys know, we love doing this for you guys, but also we need your help on this one, so make sure to subscribe, because a bunch of you aren't subscribed to the channel yet. And after you've tried this one, make sure to leave a comment, let me know what you think of it. But for now, that's it. That's all I got for you, and I'll see you guys next week. Ciao.